Dylan, Michael and Jeremy had £171. Michael had twice as much money as Dylan. Jeremy had 3 times as much money as Michael. How much money did Jeremy have? Wow, this is quite a complex question and a lot of information going on. So again, exactly the sort of question where drawing a picture of what's going on really, really helps. Okay, let's start off. Let's see who's got the least amount of money, and I think that's going to be Dylan here, because Michael had twice as much money as Dylan, and Jeremy had 3 times as much money as Michael. So poor old Dylan is the one with the least amount of money, and I'm going to draw a really terrible box to represent him first. That's supposed to be a lovely square. Do you know what? I'm going to clear that. Hopefully this one will be a bit better. Okay, so this is the amount of money that Dylan has. Okay, now let's have a look. Michael had twice as much money as Dylan, so the box that I have to draw for Michael needs to be twice as large, okay, as Dylan's. Alright, I'm going to draw the partition there just to show nice and clearly that this one for Michael is twice as large as Dylan's. Michael had twice as much money as Dylan. Okay, and then we've got lucky Jeremy. Jeremy had 3 times as much money as Michael. Okay, so 3 times as much money as this. Lots of money. All right, okay, let's have a look. So that's the same as Michael. All right, that's twice as much as Michael. That's 3 times as much as Michael. And I'm going to just partition it up in the same way as the others. Okay, so this is lucky Jeremy. Okay, now what other information do we have? We know that the total amount of money that they have here, okay, all of this is equal to £171. Okay, all of that is equal to £171. And we have all of these equal size parts. Okay, how many equal size parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 equal size parts. So if we want to find out the value of each of these parts, we need to divide 171 by 9. So 171 divided by 9. Okay. So first we're going to look at how many 9s there are in 17. And there's 1 with 8 left over. I'm just going to do a short division. So now it's going to be how many 9s in 81, and that's 9. Okay, so altogether, all right, 171 divided by 9 equals 19. So I now know that each of these parts is worth 19. I don't have to write this in, but I will do just to show. All right, so that's 19. 19, 19, 19, 19, 19. And what you would find is if you did a great big long addition and added 19 plus 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 19, you added all of that up together, right, it would equal 171. Or if you multiplied 19 by 9, it would equal 171. So now I can calculate everything. I can find out how much Dylan had, how much Michael had, and also how much money Jeremy had. Okay, and Jeremy, how many of these parts does Jeremy have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to multiply 19 by 6 to find out how much money Jeremy has. Okay, so there we go. And we get £114. Okay, so there we go. How much money did Jeremy have? He had £114. Okay.